guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited to share to you how I made my Japanese fluffy souffle cake. They call this souffle cake. As you can see, it jiggles, so nakakatuwa. So if you want to see how I made this, keep on watching. Pagpainit muna tayo ng tubig. Our oven should be preheated to 300 Fahrenheit, and I'm using this device, itong thermometer, to get the exact temperature. Sa ganitong pot naman, kailangan natin magpakulo ng tubig. Yan, okay na yan. Kailangan natin magpakulo ng tubig sa ganitong pot kasi we need to melt our cheese and our butter. I will show you that later. 6 eggs separated. I will show you that later. 80 grams sugar. 50 grams cake flour. 50 grams butter. 10 grams cornstarch. 1 bar of cream cheese. 50 grams 60 grams milk, lemon zest, and 2 teaspoon lemon juice, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. Separate the egg white from the egg yolk. In a bowl like this, combine your butter and the cream cheese. Pwede na rin natin ilagay yung milk. Ayan, kumukulo na yung ating tubig. Hinaan ko lang ang apoy. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ay melt natin tong cream cheese and butter. Hanggang sa maging creamy. Pag nakikita natin smooth na, ibig sabihin ready na yun. Ayan, wala nang buo-buo yung cheese. Pwede na natin tanggalin sa apoy. Make sure na room temperature yung cheese bago ilagay yung egg yolk para hindi maluto kaagad ang egg yolk. Ayan. Pwede na natin ilagay ang egg yolk. Let's add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, lemon zest. Then we need to sift our cake flour and cornstarch. Make sure lang na mix ng maayos ang egg yolk and flour para walang lumps. Six egg whites, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, tapos gagamit tayo ng whisk attachment. Yan, pag nakikita natin na medyo foamy na, pwede na natin ilagay ang sugar in 3 parts. Unti-untiin natin. We are looking for a medium peak ng meringue. So ngayon, ito sobrang soft pa. Kailangan pa natin i-beat ng konti. Pero hindi kailangan madaliin yung pag-beat. Dapat dahan-dahan lang para hindi magkaroon ng maraming bubbles. Check ulit natin. Ayan. Ayan, imimix ko na ang meringue sa egg yolk mixture natin. Dapat dahan-dahan lang yung pag-mix. Otherwise, mawawala yung air na nilagay natin kanina sa meringue. Inch na pan, pwede na natin i-transfer. So, kung meron kayong non-stick pan, mas okay yun. Pero, wala ako nun. So, gumamit na lang ako ng liner. Bake this for 50 minutes. Yung first 30 minutes dapat covered para hindi kaagad masunog yung top layer ng cake. Tapos after 30 minutes, alisin natin yung foil cover. Here we go guys, fresh from the oven. Medyo may crack lang ng konti kasi na-overbake ko ng 5 minutes. Sayang. Pero kung hindi ito na-overbake ng 5 minutes or 10 minutes, walang crack. So here we go guys. As you can see, nagji-jiggle yung cake natin. Kasi sobrang lambot niya. So para siyang souffle. If you haven't watched my souffle pancake, it has the same concept as this one. Pero mas maganda tong tingnan kasi cake nga siya. Nakakatuwa, no? Nagji-jiggle. Let's try to cut this. Ayan. Hindi lang maganda yung pagkakakat ko, pero masarap naman. Subukan nyo, i-try yung recipe, tapos sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung lasa. Okay guys, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!